So not too long ago, I put up a video about the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing. I went over a few different ways that you could use, get traffic to your offer, but I focused primarily on paid traffic methods. And I want to do another video about free traffic methods because, let's face it, not everyone has a massive budget to spend on advertising when they're first getting started with affiliate marketing. And I'm sure that if you're watching this, maybe you are maybe you don't want to, take the risk of spending lots of money and, losing it all, with advertising. That can be kind of a tough feeling, but I want to focus specifically on free traffic sources for affiliate marketing in this video. And I've got specifically 5 traffic sources that I want to be going over, which can help you get traffic to your offer without having to spend money on advertising. So before we really dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis, Monday through Friday, about how to grow an online business and how to do affiliate marketing. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And this way you'll be notified whenever there is a brand new video on this channel. But without further ado, let's get into the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing. All right, so I've got 5 of them listed right here, and we're going to go through them one by one. So the first method that I want to go over is by leveraging Facebook groups. So Facebook is a massive social media platform. It's easily the biggest social media platform online nowadays. And right now, as you're watching this video, there's thousands, if not, tens of thousands of people on Facebook right now. I mean, I believe half the world's population is actually on Facebook right now. So that means that there is a huge opportunity for you to make money on this platform. And what you could do is you can connect with people one-on-one. You could, literally with, your smartphone even, you can connect with people, literally at your fingertips. So what you could, the way that I would recommend going about this is finding groups in your specific niche. So let's say that you have a product in like the health and wellness niche that you're promoting, right? Some sort of weight loss offer or something like, how to get 6-pack abs, something like that. What you could do is you could go into the search and you could search up, like health and wellness, right? So search that up into Facebook, and then you can go into the page that says groups. So you click on that tab right there, and it'll bring up a bunch of different groups that you could join. And each of these groups, they've got, at least, a few thousand members that you could just connect with right then and there. So like, if I join this one, for example, right? This one I had already joined earlier, just as an example. And if I bring that up, if it wants to load up. Let's see if it wants to. Okay, there it goes. So like, this is a group where tons of people that are, interested in this space right here. They put out posts about, health and wellness. Some people, they share different tips that they have, of course, learned. But that's something that you could do in here. You could put up your own posts, and you could, share things that you're learning. If you're going through some sort of, weight loss program or something like that, you could put up a post. You could share something of, something of value. And then you can get people to comment on the post, and then you can connect with them through Messenger. And another thing you could do in this group is, if I scroll down here, it'll show, okay, so this group currently has over 7,000 members. And if I click on this right here, this will bring up a list of people that have joined this group. So like, it'll show like people like in your area, like the admins that are in this group. If these things want to go away, these little notifications. These notifications are annoying me here. Go away. Go away. Stop with the notifications. They will not stop. They will not leave me alone here. But like, here's people that are like new to the group, right? So like, Travis is someone that joined like 20 minutes ago. So as you can see here, I mean, every single day, there are tons of people that are getting into this group right here, and then you can connect with them one-on-one. You could, build up a connection. You could see, what their pain points are, and then you could recommend a solution that solves that specific problem that they're facing. So that is the first way that you can go about it, is by leveraging Facebook groups. Method number 2 is you could sell online courses. So there's a platform called Skillshare, where you can create your own course on this platform. You could teach something. So like, if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, there is a link that says Become a Teacher. If you click on this, you could then get started on this platform. You can create your own course. Now, I believe to create a course on this platform, it has to be at least 30 minutes long. But the benefit with this is that you can put your own course on here, and people who of course join Skillshare, they have to pay like a membership fee, which is, I think, is like, maybe 10 or 20 bucks a month. And then they get access to pretty much all the courses. Now, what's great about Skillshare is that when someone goes through your course, your course, it'll have like ads play on it. So when someone goes through your course, someone, views an ad, you get paid like a commission on that as well. So it's a great way to make passive income if your course is getting a lot, lots of views. But not only that, you could even recommend different products and, different tools that you're recommending. So like, let's say that you're teaching people how to build a website, right? Like you're showing people, okay, here's how to build a website in, 30 minutes or something like that. Or here's how to build a, really great looking website in, just under 1 hour. So tons of people that are getting online nowadays, they want to build their own website because they want to build their brand online. They want to build an online business. And even like, regular brick and mortar businesses, they need to have a website in place because people who go onto Google and they search up their business, if they don't have a website, then they're missing out. They're leaving out on, they're leaving a lot of money on the table. So by showing people how to build a website, it's a great way to build up trust with them. And then people who go through your course, they're going to want to check out any tools that you recommend. So, a great example for this is like if you're showing people how to build a website, you could say, okay, here is the hosting platform that I'm using. I'm using Bluehost as my hosting platform, and you could set up a website through this platform for about $3.95 a month. Now, when someone goes through your link and they click on your specific affiliate link, they go through it, they set up a website, you get $65 for each qualified sign up. So for one person to get, to set up a website through Bluehost through your link, you can get at least $65 for bringing someone into Bluehost. That's a pretty great way to make some affiliate commissions that way if you're, showing people how to build a website. But, Skillshare is one platform you could do this. Udemy is another platform. Very similar to Skillshare, except with this one, people, they buy individual courses. So you could sell a course on here for like, maybe $10 or $20. Most of them are like around 10 to $15. So they kind of go around that price range. But what you could even do is you can create a free course on here. So, that way you could, of course, get more people to, of course, go through it. And then you could recommend your program as the upsell here. So that's a great way to get lots of sales coming in the door. So that is, number 2. Method number 3 is set up your own website. So just like how I was kind of talking about, starting your own website, you could actually use that as a way to get free traffic to your offers. You could set up your own blog in, any specific niche that you're going into, health and wellness, make money online, crypto, travel, Forex, whatever it is that you're going into, you could set up a website around that niche. And then as you start putting out lots of content regularly, of course, this isn't something that's going to, make you rich overnight. This is not something that's going to, you put out one article and boom, you're making thousands overnight. This is something that you want to be putting in, consistent effort in. And it may take you, like a year or two, for it, of course, to, really start, getting big. But once, you start to put out lots of content, like if you put out, 100 articles within the span of like a year, that's 100 articles that you created one time. And as long as it's getting noticed, as long as people are finding your articles on a regular basis, it's a great way to get lots of passive income. So inside of your articles, you could put out written posts, written, articles about, how to get in a better shape. You could recommend a product or service that you, of course, going through. In your articles, you could link to them in your throughout your blog posts, and anyone who reads your article, they decide to check out your offer that you're recommending, you get paid a commission on that. So that's a great way to build up credibility is by having your own website. And the benefit of having your own website is it's something that you own. You're not reliant on any social media platform. It's completely yours to have. So you could do whatever it is you want with it, and you never have to worry about losing it if you have it under your own domain. So that's why I recommend that is is one of the options here. But number 4 is you could do YouTube SEO. So much like having your own website, with having a YouTube channel, you put out lots of content on a regular basis. And this is more, in terms of video content. So you can put out videos and you could, create your own YouTube channel. And as you start to put out lots of videos, quality content, that people, of course, they get value out of, then eventually your content will begin to get noticed. So the idea with this is that you want to be doing this on a rather consistent basis. You don't want to get into this with, like a lottery type of mindset. You want to have a long-term mindset with this. And as long as you're willing to have, a long-term mindset, you're not just willing to put out, 5 videos, but you're willing to, stick with this long term, this is definitely something that can really pay off in the long term. Because also think of it like this. YouTube does not cost anything to start, but yet it is one of the most powerful traffic sources pretty much ever. Like, think of it like this. People go on YouTube, they search up something very specific, like how to get in a better shape, and then they see a video. So let's say that they look up something, like how to make money online. And if you have a video that shows up in that particular, search phrase, and it's getting lots of views, people actually see an actual person on camera, which immediately builds credibility. It shows that you are actually legitimate, and that way when they see an actual person on camera, they connect with you much more than the average person that just hides behind their computer screen. So that's why YouTube is such a great platform to leverage. And you could get money through Google AdSense, as well as commissions from any product that you're of course recommending. So that's why YouTube is such a great platform to use. And just about every successful affiliate marketer that I know of, I'd say at least 90% of them, they have a YouTube presence of some sort. They have a YouTube channel, they've built up a following, and with this, they have a huge advantage over the average people that just decide to send paid traffic to a link. So that's why YouTube is a great platform to use. And then as for method number 5 is Quora.com. So Quora.com is one that not many people are talking about. It's a question and answer site, and you could actually use this to build up your brand online. So like, the one thing that I want to say right off the bat is you never want to use this as a way to drive traffic straight to an affiliate link. You never want to, answer a question and say, okay, here, check out the software right here. This will solve your problem, because Quora.com does not like affiliate links inside of answers. They see that as spamming, and if you do that enough times, eventually they will ban your account. So if you put a affiliate link inside of an answer, 9 times out of 10, it will get taken off the platform. So that's the thing that I do want to mention. But what you could do is, like, let's say that you have a channel about, making money online, or, how to find a work from home job or something like that. If you have a video that goes over that, what you could do is you could search up, work from home jobs. Search up work from home jobs there. And you'll find questions about, what are the best work from home jobs out here. So you could answer a question like this, and then you could provide a link to one of your YouTube videos, and it'll actually show up inside of the answer right there. So that's a great way to get lots of people straight to your videos, because people who are, of course, ask questions like this, they'll be interested in seeing a video if it, provides them enough value. And most people who answer questions on this platform, they specifically provide, like written answers here. And because there's so many answers that people, of course, give, not everyone wants to go through this all and read that. A lot of people would rather watch a video. So by having a video to share, you are immediately going to stand out, amongst everyone else that's just trying to, put a written answer. And it's a great way to get lots of traffic to your YouTube channel, as well as your website. You could even put a link to one of your articles that you've, of course, written, and then you can get more traffic to your website. So this is a great way to, I'd say this is a great platform to use as a complementary traffic source over to your website or YouTube channel. That's really what I recommend Quora.com for. I don't recommend sending people to an affiliate link, because if you do that enough times, your account could get shut down because they don't like spammers. So that's the one thing that I want to mention. But anyways, those are the top 5 traffic sources that I wanted to go over in this video, and I hope you found value in this. If you did, I'd really be interested to hear your comments your thoughts in the comments down below. Did you find value in these different traffic sources? Let me know if there's something new that you picked up from this video, and let me know if you're going to take action from this. Also, be sure to, if you got value from this, I really, if you give this a thumbs up, I'd really highly appreciate that. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing long term, then my #1 link down below in the description will give you access to a free training which will go over how to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business that you could be your own boss, you could work on your own terms, and actually live that lifestyle. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.